If you're going to pipe a basic ordinary cushion, you can do it with strips cut across the fabric, but it's got to be cut across the fabric from selvage to selvage, that away. You cannot do piping with strips cut down the fabric, i.e. parallel to the warp. Why, you might say? The reason is stretch. There's more give in the fabric this away than there is that away. And if you can't tell which is the weft, you can often tell by stretching the fabric. It gives more easily on the weft than it does on the warp. There's also a way you can tell by sound, by twanging it. That is the warp, tight. That is the weft, lower. The tighter, harder note is down the selvage. The softer, deeper note is across the weft. So you cut that away.